Karim, but now I hear from you. You're not about to do something at the shop again. Just let me know when I get a message here. Bubbles, am I gone here?
No, you're not gone. You turn your back. Have a good day, Sonia.
Okay. Honey, I'm leaving now.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Oh, thank you. You too.
Wow. Hello, Sandra. Is Carlton there?
You know.
Shut up, Stephanie.
But you're.
Shut up, I said I'll handle it, okay?
You can't handle this. You've always been the weak one. Let me out, and I'll take him for every penny he's got. Sandra, are you listening?
What's going on? Because I've been calling you and your phone just keep going to voicemail.
Where's Sandra?
Carlton.
Carlton. A lot going on. I know it's no excuse, but hold on. I'm okay.
At a time like this, you can't go missing, Michelle. You are the only one in communication with the kidnappers. Me not understand you, Michelle.
Carlton! Please, please! Stop. I'm under a lot of pressure. Just stop.
May I ask you something? Why you take Angie out the case?
No, I have nothing to do with that.
I find that hard to believe. You told me you want her off the case. I feel like you convinced Marcus to pull whatever political strings he can pull and get her off.